Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to visit the secret backrooms in Trust and Proud Summer Update 2026. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, make sure you're playing in a free play server. Once you're in free play, leave the dressing room area and head outside right here. You're going to go to this area to go outside, and then you're going to go downstairs and turn left. But wait, I'm still trying to go outside. Okay, just go down the stair and then you're going to turn turn left right here. Okay, keep walking until you find a tunnel area. Then instead of going straight into the tunnel, look to your left and you will see a mysterious door with a blue tape like mark on it, and just go through it and then you will arrive at this location, this back rooms. Wow, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the secret back rooms in the Trust and Proud Summer Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.